Hi, this video is just a short video to show you how you can set up a NEM wallet in order to participate in the contribution towards freemarkettoken.io ICO. So first thing is, if you've come through freemarkettoken.io, you've chosen whether you're KYC or anonymous for your contribution. Come down the page and you'll come to an option which is NEM address, and it'll say don't have a NEM wallet, download here. So if you click this, it will bring up the nem.io/downloads website. You can scroll down the page. You have a choice of Windows, Mac, or Linux. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'll just simply select that. Double click it, it'll start the download in the bottom left-hand corner. Now, in my case, I've already downloaded it, but essentially once it's finished, you click this little arrow and you do show in folder. This will pull up my downloads folder. You can see here I have the zipped file. You'll also have a zipped file, and depending on whether you have WinZip or another application to unzip, you just simply have to unzip the file. So in my case, if I double click it, WinZip pops up and it's just simply asking me where I'd like to unzip the file. So I'll say yes, unzip to downloads. Now I've already unzipped it also, so here it is. Now if you double click on that file, find the application. It's the one that has the NEM logo and called Nanowallet, and on the right hand side should have application. Double click on the application and it will open up the NEM Nanowallet. So all you have to do to set up a wallet, simply click on sign in, choose simple wallet for simplicity. It's very safe and it creates a random key. Click ready, choose mainnet if you want the wallet to be part of the NEM blockchain and actually be able to receive FMT tokens, and then click next. Choose a name for your wallet, so just example, I can call it Demo1 and go next. Choose a password that you're happy with, make sure it's strong, something you can remember, and something that is safe. So obviously here, because it's a demo, I'll just keep things simple and make a short one that I can easily remember. Okay, now next is click the start button, and all you have to do to create a unique private key is simply move your cursor around randomly all over the page until you get to 100%. Right, so as soon as that finishes, we go next. Now, read this and understand that security is paramount and you're in control of it. Make sure that as we move forward here that you're not on a public network. You're actually able to disconnect from the internet from here forward to ensure that no one hacks you or anything like that. So we carry on. First step is download your wallet. Now this will download a WLT file, which you can save anywhere on your computer. It's recommended to make a backup, so you might want to email it to yourself, save it in the cloud somewhere, put it on a USB stick or something. This is just in the case something goes wrong with your computer. But we just saved that file. Now you can also make a copy of that WLT file in its raw code, and it's raw encryption, so you could print it out or something. So you could simply click on that, copy it all here, right, and then paste it into a document and print it out. That's just up to you how you want to go about your security. Okay, now once you have your wallet file downloaded and backed up, you say, I have my wallet file, and you continue. Now this is the most critical part. Make sure you're in a private setting. You don't have any facing cameras or anything to your private key, because essentially if someone gets your private key, they also get your crypto. So in this case, you want to make sure it's private and everything like that, and then click the button of show private key. You'll get a string here of your private key. Personally, I recommend to write it down, make 3 copies of it, put one in a safe, put one at a very trusted location outside of your house, and put the 3rd one somewhere else extremely safe. Reason being, you only need this private key if you can't remember your password or your computer malfunctions and you need to make a backup of your wallet and you want to make sure your crypto is available. So this is extremely important you keep safe but that's why I recommend making 3 copies. Also, be very careful with your Bs and your 6s to make sure they're very clearly distinguished, so you don't have a problem with that later. Right, so once you've got your private key marked down, by the way, this is a demo. I'm not using this wallet in any means. There won't be any crypto in there. So for anyone who's thinking they can take mine, it's just a demo. Okay, now I have my private keys and password. Click that button and agree to the terms. All right, now you can select the wallet from your list. So demo 1 is the one I made. Okay, I put my password in and I simply sign in. Make sure you've connected back to the internet if you disconnected prior, so that you can connect online and be connected to a node. Now, it's very important up the top here that your node circle becomes green. If it's not green, it means you're not connected to the blockchain and therefore you couldn't do any transactions. If you click on account, you'll find here now your wallet address. This is the public address that you require in order to contribute to freemarkettoken.io. So all you're simply doing is clicking on account up the top, click on the copy button to copy that address. It'll tell you it's copied, then go OK. Now if you go back to freemarkettoken.io, where it says NEM address, you're simply pasting it in there and voila, you're done. Hopefully that video is informative. What I will also do is a step-by-step on paper. So if you want, you could print that out. We'll have it downloadable, but it'll be step-by-step, exactly the steps we've gone through. Please reach out if you need any help. Contact one of the admins through our Telegram group, which is t.me/FMT official. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps.